Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
You will fall in love with this St. Mary property. Maybe the soothing winds will do it, or the endless views of the ruby blue waters of the Caribbean Sea. It could even be the mere tranquility of residing in one of the island's best kept secrets. This property will tick most of the boxes on your list with spacious, well laid out areas, a wraparound balcony that service all bedrooms in the main house, all with great sea views. In your downtime, enjoy sounds and experience in your own entertainment room. Invite family and friends over to enjoy this 1 acre or 43,478 square feet property with numerous entertainment space from rooftops to the well-fruited garden area. Sleepovers are more fun when they have their own seaside cottage. Plus, these cottages have great income earning potential. Access to natural saltwater pools is a great plus. Do not hesitate in making this beautiful property yours. Some other features include mixed wood and porcelain flooring, garden area, grilled, kitchen built-ins, fully fenced, recreation nearby, waterfront and ocean view, road paved. The asking price for this property is US $700,000. Now, let's take a look at this property and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts.
Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.